Hey and welcome back. In this Canva tutorial, I will show you how to very easily change the background color of your design in Canva. So this is the new canvas, and now we are starting off by selecting the canvas and going to the background color tab here on the top. And we can quickly select the background color, and there's a bunch of different color options that they are suggested. So either default colors, some gradients that we can use, but obviously we can also add our own colors that we want. Any color that comes up to your mind, you can quickly select them, or you can also define any gradient yourself. And to define the gradient, obviously you have different colors that you can select here. So for example, if we are going from green to a purple, we can do it like this. And if we want to go back to a solid black color, it's also fine. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand how you can actually do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye bye.